Today I am Analea Amdan and I am one of the reporters from Group 1. So I will be tackling about the policy as it follows from the Philippine Bilingual Education Policy. So I have here the two statements, which is the letter E and letter F. So it states here that Filipino and English shall be taught as language subjects in all levels to achieve the goals of bilingual. So what do we mean by this? So um, the statement says that in our educational framework, Filipino and English are designated as language subjects to be taught at all levels. So this approach is implemented to fulfill the objectives of bilingual education. So by incorporating both Filipino and English language instructions across all educational levels, students are provided with a comprehensive language learning experience that aims to develop proficiency in both languages. So this bilingual approach is not only enhances students' language skills but also promotes cultural appreciation and foster effective communication in a multilingual society. So so the next statement, which is the letter F, it says there that since competence in the use of both Filipino and English is one of the goals of the bilingual education policy, continuing improvement in the teaching of both languages, so their use as media of instructions and the specification of their functions in Philippine schooling shall be the responsibility of the whole education system. So meaning to say that the statement, it says there that the bilingual education policy aims to improve teaching in Filipino and English. So their use as mediums of instruction and their defined roles in the Philippine education system. So this responsibility falls on the entire education sector to ensure proficiency in both languages. And that would be all for my report. Thank you.